Hi guys, welcome to my channel Study Glam. Hope you all are doing good. So from the title itself you already have the idea what subject we are gonna talk about today. So it is basically about criticism and taking criticisms as a positive idea and about constructive criticism and learn to take criticism. So stay tuned. For every one of us, it is very important to take criticisms in a constructive way and in a positive way. We, like for every one of us, it is necessary, but especially those in the media, like in maybe social media influencers or Instagrammers or maybe YouTubers, they especially need this. They especially need to learn and start taking criticisms in a positive way. Of course, there are many people who are just mean in the comment section, and that is the way they are spreading the negativity because they are using harsh words, right? But when you are not using any harsh words, you are not like spreading negativity, and that is what called constructive criticisms. And you know guys, criticisms are so important because it is your view, it is the audience who will of course like help you to develop your content, your like blah 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 other things. And if a single criticism is harming yourself, and if a single criticism is harming yourself, you are thinking about that one criticism a lot, and you are harming your mental health. So that is where you should think about it in a different way. In a different way means, like, of course, omit the mean words from the comment, from the from the speech of the person who had done that, and take the idea that what she or he is just talking about. Maybe if in a video someone has commented that this is not right, but with a harsh tone, just omit that part that he or she had applied a harsh tone in that sentence. Just think that what that audience, of course he or she is your audience, he or she has spared her time for your content, to see your content. That means he or she is interested, but he or she just wants to develop yourself in a certain way. At least she wants that, she wants to see that in your content, right? So now moving on, we first need to discuss what is constructive criticism. Of course, we are all different people in the world, we cannot be same with each other. We all are different with our perspectives and thoughts and thought process and so on. So of course we also behave differently. So what is constructive criticism? It is the way you are putting your perspective, your ideas, your thoughts in a way that will not harm another one, but still you are expressing your views in a polite way or in a simple way, that you need this, okay? And what is negativity, or just a mean thing to say? When you are using slangs, when you are not using slangs, but you are using very harsh tones, that is spreading negativity. But putting up your thoughts, that is constructive criticism, not negativity. But nowadays, as I see it, that people always state that, you know, I can take constructive criticism, please comment down your views and blah blah. We have seen YouTubers and Instagrammers do that. But I will state an example and an incident with myself that will prove that they can't. So keep on watching for that. So have seen the screenshot. From that you have you can see the statement I made. I made that this is not flawless, right? This is not harsh at all. This is a criticism, you can say, rather a comment, a simple comment I made on someone's video on Instagram, because she made a video on flawless base, but to me it was not flawless. But did I use any harsh tone or any slangs? I should have said this is not flawless base bitch or something, slangs like that, or any harsh tone, but I haven't done that. So this is not spreading negativity. This is not anything harsh to be told, and this is a constructive criticism. But this Instagrammer, I will not mention her name, this Instagrammer just what can I say? This Instagrammer just couldn't take this one comment for a second. She just replied me, and I will give you the screenshot here as well, what she had replied to me. So now that you have seen that how she actually replied to me, that simple sentence which didn't have any negativity, that was just a comment and my perspective and my view about her video. Of course you have the comment section is on because you want people to comment on it, to state their views. If you don't want any criticisms or on your video, so just off your comment section. So let's move on. So means from that statement of hers, she is establishing that viewpoint that she doesn't need her viewers, her audience's point of view. She doesn't care about them. That is that needed and expected from a social media influencer or Instagrammer or YouTuber? No, right? We are creating videos for them. If they doesn't like the way it is, we need to develop it in ourselves, because they are you are who will be seeing our videos and content. So in that way she is insulting her audience. Of course I was anxious about the video from the thumbnail, so I saw the video, open and saw the video, but I didn't like it, so I commented that this is not flawless. That is just one thing. I don't know, she started commenting that this is negativity and blah blah blah, and she was so polite with them. You know, the friends in college and school also who comment on your Facebook posts and videos, not videos, Facebook posts and pictures, that you are looking so good and so on, but never comes in inbox and asks you how you are actually. Those friends, those kind of people actually went to her video, and in comment section they were just commenting oh, you are such a queen, you look so beautiful, you are the most beautiful, my boo, and so on. She was so polite. I mean, she was not ready to accept the truth. Nowadays accepting the truth on yourself is so hard, right? When someone is saying good things about you, praises you, it is so good. But when a single person, in her case that was me, just tells you the truth that she doesn't like this thing in you, you just start attacking. So from this single and simple incident, I have realized that we are really growing up from the outside, but inside we are still that child, just who will just bite and hurt their own selves when they will get to know that the other person is not going to do the same or think the same as we do, you know. So finally, to end this video, I would like to say some words that we have 5 fingers and the 5 fingers are not same, right? So in this huge world there are many people, right? They all are not same. They have different thought process, different ideas, different perspectives, different behaviors and so on. And if we all would be same, the world would be so boring, right? So start accepting the truth that people will have a different point of view and they can say that you are wrong in this and they don't like it about it. Maybe from my perspective, no, I am right. But don't just, after they have put their point of view, don't just chase after them and just poke them about that and just spoil your mental health because of that one single point of view. If you don't want to take it, just delete it from your mind. If you are a sensible person and you want to develop your personality, if you are a social media influencer, your content maybe, so learn from that one single comment, one single point of view that your audience has gave you. So just learn from that. Don't ruin your mental health. Don't be a kiddish to, like, don't be a kid to just mock and chase after that person to ruin her content and blah blah so on. So yes guys, with this video comes to the end. Hope you guys are liking my content, and you can of course comment your views in the comment section below and give a like and do a share. Of course this type of contents maybe doesn't get so much exposure, but I feel personally I should talk about all these things because people need to just also steer to these serious topics in life. And moving on, I also have comedy videos, entertaining videos and other type of videos. Check out my playlists and subscribe to my channel and keep showering your love. And yeah, till then, bye.